Hi everybody, my name is Brenna Jeffries and I am currently an audiologist assistant in the Kirksville office for Hearing Care Partners. I just thought I would jump on and do a short video today to tell you a little bit about what I do. One of my favorite things that I do at my job is I actually teach people how to use and clean their hearing devices. Today I'm actually going to be teaching you one of the most important steps of keeping those clean, and that is to change a wax filter. Fun fact, before I started at this job, I was actually a preschool teacher. It was only for a short time, but I love the aspect of my job where I actually still get to teach people on a daily basis. So first off, what is a wax filter? A wax filter is actually a little basket that collects wax. So it sits on the end of a hearing device. This is the part that sits down inside of your ear canal, so where it's going to get the dirtiest, because that's where our wax is. So in order to keep these clean, we actually have to change these or replace them. And in order to do that, we have to have extras. So if you have your pack of wax filters, they typically come on a stick just like this. So you pull the stick out, and on the stick is a new one. The new one is the white piece at the end of that. I know it's kind of hard to see. They're super small. But the old one is taken out by the opposite end, which actually has a little prong on it. And we stick that prong inside of that tiny little hole right there. So I'm actually going to be sticking that in there, and you push straight in, pull straight out, flip that stick around, and you're going to be pushing this right back inside where the other one was. Push straight in, pull straight out. So now this is done. We're going to throw that stick away. And the last step I like to do, just to make sure that that filter is in there where it's supposed to be, is I like to push with my finger just to make sure that it's nice and secure and it's not going to fall out. And so I'm gonna put that back, and as you can see, I have a variety of different devices with me today. These are all mostly from different manufacturers, with lots of different styles of hearing devices. Each of these use a different type of wax filter. They are not interchangeable, so if you're changing yours at home and they are not staying, that might be why. In case you are having this problem, you might want to give us a call and see if you are using the right techniques. If you're following these steps and it's still not working, then maybe you have the wrong filter for your certain device. So I hope that you enjoyed this video today. I really enjoyed being able to teach you something, hopefully anyways, that will help you or your loved one in case you are not the one who has the device, but you're the one who's changing those filters and keeping the devices clean for them. Like I said before, if you're having any difficulty with these devices, go ahead and feel free to give us a call. I'd love to help you. It's what I enjoy the most about my job. And anyways, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.